I'm Shrimay, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a really interesting video because I'm going to unbox my first Influenster Vox box, and I'm going to show you what are the products I got in my Vox box, as well as I'm going to show you how I use this product and what I think about this, like kind of first impression / review. So I received this product, or I received this box complimentary from Influenster for testing purpose. So I thought of sharing with you guys and show you what I got. So if you are wondering what is Influenster, basically Influenster is a marketing company which connects with people like us as well as the brand, and they normally give you the product complimentary just for free for testing purpose in a Vox box. So you can get this box just for free, just to review your product, and you can share your reviews in the Influencer apps. Okay, so to receive this box you don't have to be a YouTuber or even a blogger. Just sitting at home also you can get this box for free and for testing purpose. You do have to have some sorts of social medias like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, just to connect with Influencer as well as share your reviews through your social medias. They do also have a app, so you can definitely install it on your phone. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I'll also put a link to their website in the description box below, so if you want you can definitely sign up. So this is how the app looks like. Hope you can see that. Now you must be wondering how I'm going to get the free stuff. So you have to install the app, or you have to create an account in that website, and then you have to take survey, like review products. You can ask questions, you can review the product which you have already used. You can review on makeup, nails, hair, food, beverage, snacks, wellness, cat supplies, games, entertainment. There are so many things. So in whichever way you want, like I love makeup, and also I normally go to the makeup section and I review products on makeup which I have already used. I ask questions, so you can do whatever you want, or in which area you like to be connected. So basically you have to be little bit updated. If you just create an account and you leave it, then I don't think so it will work. Also I wanted to mention, this is not that one night thing. You create an account and you will get your Vox box. You have to be patient because it will take little time according to your connectivity, according to how much you are active. In that way I think they send this Vox box, and then they'll send you that you are eligible for this box. So if you want, you have to send your address and all, and they'll send that Vox box to you. In exchange you have to test those products, review those products, and share your reviews on your social media as well as in the Influencer site. I feel this is really cool for all those makeup lover, not only makeup lover, in which area you are interested. Just you can try those products and you can test it out and share your reviews. I feel it is not only good because we are getting the product just for free. This is also really cool because you are trying to share your reviews with other people, as well as you can also ask question if you have any doubt, like I want to buy this product but I don't know what these products are like. So you can just ask it over in the Influencer site, so that people are there to help you. They can also share their thoughts so that it will be helpful for you. So I feel this is really cool way to get connected with different brands, and get connected with people as well as share your thoughts. Alright, so this is my first Vox box, and in this box I got all the Lancome products. So this is the Lancome theme. Sometimes they do combine different brand products and send you in a single box, but I think this is the Lancome box, so this is basically a Lancome theme. So all the products inside this box are from Lancome. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys what I got in this box. So as soon as I open, this is how the box looks like. The first thing I can see is this is the Lancome Visionaire IOX Eye On Correction. So this is advanced multi-correcting eye balm. This is of 3 ml, which is of 0.101 ounce. So this is basically a eye or under eye cream or eye balm. I'm also going to show you how I use this product, so basically you can have an idea. So this is how the tube looks like. So you can apply this eye cream underneath your eye just to hydrate a little bit. Okay, so now I apply this on the back of my hand as well as on my eye, and I can definitely feel the smoothness under my eye area. I feel a little bit of that silicone type, but I'm not sure it does have that silicone or not, but it really feels smooth underneath the eye. But I can't exactly say how much effective it is because this is the first time I'm using this. So yeah, that is the first one. The next product is this is the Lancome Drama Liquid Pencil or the Kohl eyeliner, and this is the outer packaging. This is in the shade Noir Intense, I think, which is black. Yeah, so this is the eye pencil. This is quite smooth. Okay, there you go. I have swatched it on my hand. I have also applied this today on my eyes. You can see this just to use this as my liner. Instead of going for a liquid liner, I use this to draw this line on my eyes, and it went pretty smoothly, and it is quite black also. So I really like it because when you are creating a line on the top of your eyelid, it has to be, the eyeliner has to be smooth, or else you'll feel that rashes. So I really like it. I also got one more liner. Let's see, open this out. Oh yes, this is one more liner, and I think this is the purple one. So the black one in the shade Noir Intense, and the purple one is in the shade Ample. So I'm going to swatch it out on the back of my hand. In this purple one, they do have little bit of shimmer to it. So there you go with the swatches. But I must say the Kohl eyeliner or this eyeliner are very creamy to use. I don't like when the eyeliner are very dry, so I really like this. The next part which I got is this. This is the Lancome High Definition Mascara, and this is the outer packaging. The outer packaging are really cute, like all in the silver packaging, and this is of 6.2 gram. It's also in the shade black. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. This looks really beautiful. It looks so sleek. Alright, so this is the mascara wand. So I'm also applying this to my lashes just to show you guys how it looks. And this is the makeup where I have used this mascara to create this eye look. As you can see, my eyelashes are quite separated. I don't tell that this is the most voluminous mascara. It definitely separate my eyelashes as well as it lengthens up. Let me read out what they claim. Yeah, I don't think they have claimed that it is a voluminous mascara. They have written that high definition, lengthening and separating mascara. So I'm really impressed what they claim, that it should lengthen your lashes as well as it should separate, which I have already told you guys that I felt that it definitely lengthened my lashes as well as it separates all of my eyelashes from each other. So yeah, in that way I really like it. It is not a very wet type mascara. It is in the middle, like it's not very dry as well as not very wet. If I compare this with my Essence Lash Princess mascara, Essence one is little more a wet type, but this is not exactly that wet. So yeah, keep that in mind. Alright, so the last product I got is this bifacial makeup remover, and this is how the bottle looks like. I think it has the oil mixture to it, so I can see the separation of the oil and the water, I guess. And this is of 1.7 fluid ounce, which is of 50 ml. So it's basically a decent travel size makeup remover. So they claim that this is for all skin type. This double phase liquid is fresh as water, yet remove even waterproof eye makeup, gentle enough for sensitive eyes. So they have mentioned that this is a very refreshing type of makeup remover. It will also take out all your makeup, even waterproof makeup. So yeah, let me show you how I remove my makeup using this makeup remover. Oh my god, I really love this makeup remover. As you can see, I took only one single this pad, cotton pad, and I cleaned all of my face. I really did not expect that it will go off within using only single pad, and in this pad I just took 2 to 3 times, and it removed all of my makeup. Oh my god, I really love this. I probably need one Q-tips to just to remove my waterline kajal, or else it removed completely all of my makeup including the liquid lipstick. I'm really impressed. Like, big 2 thumbs up. It did not irritate my skin at all. Being I have sensitive skin, you know that, dry to sensitive skin. It does have a very mild, you know, fresh fragrance, which I don't mind. It definitely have the oil, so you do have to, you know, cleanse your face using some cleanser or some face wash. But I really like it. I think because of the oil, it break down all the makeup so easily, and you know, it cleaned up everything. They also give you know, this card where they have mentioned what I got in this box. As you can see, I got that eye cream, those 2 liner or the kohl eye pencil, mascara, and the makeup remover. Oh, I forgot, I do have something. I also got this Lancome sharpener to sharpen my, you know, eye pencil whenever I need. So it's really cool. So all in over, I really like this. I felt that this is all about your eyesight. Like, they have given the eye cream, to kohl pencil and mascara, as well as your makeup remover, and of course not to forget the sharpener. So at the back side of this, they have also written how to use on this product. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So I thought of sharing with you all this, so that if any of you are interested, you can definitely sign it up and you can get the free makeup. I also wanted to mention, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share with you guys so that it can be helpful to any of you if you are interested. I mean, who doesn't love free makeup? So if you don't have a YouTube channel, or if you are not a makeup artist, nothing like that, you can still sign in and still review any of the product and get this free makeup. So if you are interested, I'll leave the link of the site in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And if you are already a member of Influenster, do let me know if you have got any Influenster Vox box. I would love to know from you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching guys, and do like the video if you are like me who love getting free makeup. So yeah, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.